Hey folks, you ever faced with an overflowing toilet, an overflowing sink, and you're getting that little panic feeling, right? Let me help you out. Every plumbing fixture in your house, every sink and every toilet has its own shutoff valve, and it's super simple. This is called a speedy valve. The first thing you want to do is stop the flow of water, which is simple as that. Quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and then you can address what's causing the backup. In a worst case scenario, you have to potentially go in the basement and shut the main valve, but that's a rarity. Again, every plumbing fixture has its own shutoff valve. Look underneath your sink, look by the side of your toilet, stop the water, then figure out why it's backing up. I hope that helps you out there. And if you really don't know what to do, call me on my hotline. I'm always here.